Here we go, guys. Yeah. Guys, from one of the most epic points in Albania and one of the most beautiful resorts. We are in ARAMERA. It is so close this Corfu in the Corfu channel, and it is absolutely a beautiful point. I think this has the most beautiful sunset, one of the most beautiful sunsets in Europe. Let's go and check it out. Here is like the resort and the pool, and down there is the beach, so we are going to explore. Right where my finger is the beach. So behind me is the resort, the rooms, and surprisingly they have super prices. In Albania and Saranda have really expensive prices, but these I checked in Booking are really good prices. Here we have like the views, beautiful views. So now we are at the ARAMERA beach, which is the beach of the resort, and it's really nice. The blue water of the Corfu channel, absolutely beautiful. This is the part of Albania that have like super nice beaches like Pemet, South Pasur, Kulbar, ARAMERAs now, and yeah, it's really nice. Crystal blue, it's really clear in this part, especially in this area over here. Today it's a little bit cold, but yeah, not that bad. And right there in the top is the resort. Let's explore a little bit the north side and also the south side of it. Here is like a plateau. Both sides have more like rocky, small rocky, black rockies, which are super beautiful. Looks like a volcanic rock sides, but actually they are not. So, and that is the beach. Let's stay for a couple of more minutes in the beach and then explore the upper part of the resort. So yeah, let's do it. This part of the beach reminds me like Seychelles with white sand and steep rocks, black rocks, but really beautiful. Okay, so overall this is probably my favorite part of this beach, the rocky side, beautiful created really beautiful scenery, and the main attraction, I think the beach is really clean water and really good water. The beach is nice, the green it's amazing. I mean, look how green the surrounding is. Yeah, absolutely value the greens because give the authenticity and the natural side of this resort. And let's go explore more upstairs, up to the pool, but the pool was infinity and was amazing. Still the coffee area really nice. And yeah, these are my first thoughts of this beach, and it's really nice. So I think ARAMERA is like one of the resorts that is high value. It's really luxury in Albania, and the prices are not that bad actually. I mean, in Saranda you can find hotels without pools, without nothing, for 200 euros, 150 euros, and this is almost the same price, like 200 euros for a room, for a triple room. and you have everything in this resort for free, so it's really nice. And yeah, I highly recommend. I think this is one of my new favorite spots in Albania. Finished with the beach. It was a great experience, nice experience. Also have like some beds here. Let's go up now and explore a little bit more. It's one of the greenest resorts I have seen in Albania so far, so pretty nice. This is the top view. It's absolutely amazing one. A little bit windy, but the sunset, it's stunning, man. To probably test the most beautiful pool with the most beautiful view. It's a little bit cold actually, not that warm. Oh man, this experience is so nice. Head of the pool, what is the point over there? Probably that is the most beautiful point. And look at the view. I mean, I have never been in a more beautiful pool in Albania, and this is so nice. I hope I can get some beautiful drone shots later on the sunset, because today it's not that red sunset, but it's beautiful. Okay guys, let's go to the point now and take some beautiful views and shots. Look at this sunset. So this is probably the most unique pool experience that you'll find in Albania, and yeah, I really like the resort. That in general, it's so nice. It's really peaceful. The stuff is amazing. It's really good stuff, really nice stuff, and yeah, they are so talkative, so helpful, and I like this thing so much. I mean, one of the best things that I like in this resort is look, you go out of the pool and you see all the greeneries down there to the sea, and yeah, to the sunset. It's super beautiful, super nice. I choose a new favorite spot in Albania. I'm not going to leave this corner right here. Incredible. The restaurant or the club, I don't know what it is. It's really nice. Worth promoting this resort, because I think this is one of the best resorts in Albania, probably the best one where you can have fun. I don't know how to describe with words how beautiful this resort. Woohoo! Here we go, guys. Yeah, I'm so sad that the end of the experience for ARAMERA Resort is coming to an end, or better say, is close, is near, and yeah, but all amazing memories from this resort. So guys, this was the experience that probably, or not probably, for me this is the most beautiful resort in Albania, right on the Corfu Channel. It's super nice, super beautiful, the sunsets are just amazing. So I couldn't film a lot at the poolside or to the bar because it was like music all the time and it will be copyright music, so I didn't want that, so and I just am filming here the ending and also to film a little bit more about the streets of the resort. And yeah, this is the view.